How to check Fidelity Bank account number via SMS. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can check Fidelity Bank account number via SMS or phone. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Method number 1 is using USSD code where you will not need any internet. Fidelity Bank provides a USSD code that you can dial to check your account number easily. For that, you have to open up your dial pad in your mobile device. There, type in *770*0#. After that, you can dial to that number. Once you dial, you have to follow the on-screen instructions. After that, your Fidelity Bank account number will be displayed. But if you have not registered for *770# banking, you may need to activate it first by dialing *770# and then following the prompts. Method number 2 is checking via SMS, which is an indirect method. But basically, Fidelity Bank does not send you account number directly via SMS for the security reasons. But here's what you can do it. So again, same as before, you have to dial *770*0#. After that, you will receive a response or SMS confirmation with your account number. And from there also, you can check the Fidelity Bank account number. If that still does not work out for you, then you have to contact to their customer care via SMS or call. You can look up to their official number in the internet. After that, you can request your account number by verifying your identity. So in this way, you can look up or check your Fidelity Bank account number via SMS. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.